Hi, and welcome to a new season of Cooking with Louise. I am so excited about the upcoming year and sharing some new, quick and easy weeknight meals with you. Can you believe I have been making videos for 5 years now? This is the start of my 6th season. Time flies when you're having fun. Today, since it's a new year, I wanted to show you a new product that just came out. This is called our salad cutting bowl, perfect to help you with your New Year's resolution. Let me show you how the salad cutting bowl works. So, this is your lid where you can store your napkin and your fork. It has a little handy compartment for your salad dressing. Your salad dressing goes into this little container and you can shake it up. You can put it in here. You can also put things like croutons or dried nuts or beans, cheese, whatever you would like. Then this portion is where your lettuce is going to go. So let's go ahead and make a salad. So we're going to start with the lettuce. I'll just put that in there. We're going to just take the little end bit out of the tomato. We'll chop this tomato. And then we'll place it in there as well. And then I have a cucumber that I already peeled. I'm just going to cut the end off, slice that in half, and throw it in there as well. And then you actually use this as your cutting base. So that will go on top like this. And then we'll turn it upside down. I think I got a lot of salad in there. So this will help you with your New Year's resolutions, to take healthier choices to work with you, or if you just wanted to make a salad at home. So now all you do is you want to use the chef knife. This is our color-coded chef knife, and you just go in each of these grooves, not pulling out, but chopping down and up, like this. Then what you do is you rotate the bottom base and you'll click it into a different groove. There we go, just click, and then you cut it again. So you can do this however many times you want, depending on how small you want your salad ingredients chopped up. If you had some cooked chicken or some ham, you can throw that in here and chop it all up with it as well. Okay, last chop, and now I'm going to insert this bowl. I'm going to flip it over. And if I was heading off to work, I would put my napkin, my fork, my salad dressing, put the lid on, and off I go to work. Then I get to work. And also this is kind of nice because any water from washing your salad and your vegetables will then go to the bottom of the bowl and your salad won't be sitting in it. Anyway, so then when you get to work, you just take it all out, shake up your salad dressing, and dump it in here. And then you add your salad dressing to it, and you have a delicious chopped salad ready to go. I hope this will help you with your New Year's resolutions to eat healthier and stay fit. Happy cooking! All right, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you will be notified when I have more videos.